special presentation.
Who are you?
I'm MTV.
Would you like a house of my tour? Come in, come in. You can see there are kayaks, canoes. You can see how there's bikes.
Oh, sorry. Who's that?
This is. See how you have all the foods and stuff. Normal freaking entrance to the house. Stairs. We'll get to that later.
Oh, okay.
You see this dining table? This is where we eat food. We got the nice porch out here to look out into the beautiful view. See this chair?
Is that your thinking chair?
This is the grill. You don't want to use the grill right there.
What's this?
This is the attic area where you have a sleeping bag and a nice...
Wow.
Next room. Hello! Off the bed. Nice, maybe queen size bed. Follow me, my goblin child. And that is the house tour.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Do it. You wanna, like...
Here I go, Chase.
Yes.
I call this the jump to the dock.
Should I do it?
Who's the big dock? No.
Dang. Wait. I'm going down to this. Dang. That is beautiful. I think this is the swimming hole.
No.
No.
He said you go past like the two eyes. Oh, it's down there probably then.
Oh, that dock. Let's go.
It might be up there. Do you want to follow it up?
I think we follow it up, like down here though. Oh, that is nice.
Oh, over here. We gotta go over here.
Jump that. Dang, that's beautiful. Wait, Colin, come back. Take this. Don't drop it.
Let's go. Here you
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
I could be wrong. There might be both. Maybe there's both. Guys, this is all I need. I'm like, after walking this, I'm like, I don't want to be mercy. No way.
Can you give us some wisdom like you did in the group chat?
The other one is
Always follow the gladiator
mountain, you could see the
and the
tree
rivals of the world. Because when you do that,
That's the one we
the
did last
adventures of the
years ago. But
universe
then
open
the other
up
one
to
that
you.
Mike said, there's a fire tower at the top.
Oh my God.
fine today. Go back 2 spaces.
Frick, that's unlucky.
Just missed hitting power line. Spin again.
What'd you get?
Strong talent. Spin again.
What'd you get?
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sending weak solar energy on winds.
Well, I had 2. Oh my god.
You have completed the trip south. You're completely exhausted. Now you must find food and shelter quickly.
Quick,
Please.
quick, Colin, quick. What's it?
1.
1.
Weeks of mild weather. Spin again.
Oh,
Let's go.
shoot. Oh,
2.
shoot.
Oh
no!
Oh frick, go back.
No, no.
Protected habitat provides food and shelter. Spin again. 2. Wet season bumper crop of insects. Fly at 2 spaces. Fruit trees provide plenty of food. Fly at 2 spaces. Time to eat all you can. Your wings need the energy for the flight ahead. Many challenges await the journey home.
Come on, you're almost there, Colin.
Come on.
I believe in you.
2. 1.
No!
Spring snow, bad timing. Frick. Go back
3.
1.
Colin's trying to survive the winter.
4.
What?
Flying too low, struck by the car, game over, I lost! I freaking lost!
What are you thinking of the spider, Colin?
Low-key scared.
Can you give him a handshake?
No.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Wow, guys, what a crazy looking river.
Those are piranha, guys.
Where?
Down there, see them?
Those are piranha?
Yeah.
How do you know that? Frickin' toad.
How do you know?
Goodbye, little frog. Touch it.
Yeah, it smells really gross.
Touch it. Whoa. That's crazy. Oh wait, look at that. It's just sand. Whoa. Oh my god, it's earth. But that's kind of sick.
Oh wait, that is definitely an otter on the thing that was on there.
Get him on the camera.
Oh, adorable. He's coming out that way.
Come on, get at me, guys. Come on.
That's like crazy. You freak.
Should I jump in?
Jump in! If you fall in. He's dead. I'm not gonna match her free. I don't care. Probably not. Like a chair. Colin. What do you think of that? Touched the line. What the heck even is that? This is actually... I know. Peek inside. Get in the freaking tire, bro. Eva, hold the camera, hold the camera. It's already recording. We gotta get...
Just film it. Film it. Put the dynamite in, quick! Put the dynamite. Oh, we got it. Why? Put the dynamite. We have to blow up this so that we can get through. Turn on your light. It's on. Yeah. It's not on it. Let's go, guys. Go. Put the dynamite in. Put the dynamite in. Stand back, everybody. This is a prime TNT spot. Stand back, sir. 3, 2, 1. Get back.
Oh my god, he's so different. He's not like any of the other boys.
This is true. Play a song.
It's actually well tuned.
Really? Smile makes the smoky bear.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
You cheating on me? Yeah. With her. But she doesn't want me anymore. No.
You can have him. I'm taking him.
No, I have nobody now.
That was a good film.
Wait, what was the name of the film?
Don't cheat.